Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create alternate hierarchies in Oracle Enterprise Data Management Cloud. An alternate hierarchy aggregates, rolls up, or summarizes nodes in a way that differs from the primary hierarchy. For example, you can group nodes under new top nodes while preserving the primary hierarchy's parent-child relationships. You can create this type of alternate hierarchy in either the primary hierarchy's viewpoint or a new viewpoint. In this tutorial, I'll create an alternate hierarchy in a new viewpoint. For information on other types of alternate hierarchies, visit the Enterprise Data Management Cloud Help Center. I've already created a cost center view with two viewpoints. The cost center by line of business viewpoint contains the primary hierarchy, where cost centers are grouped by lines of business, and the top node is set to total infusion cost centers. I'll inspect the viewpoint. This viewpoint uses the cost center node set, which is defined by the cost center hierarchy set. Notice that the lines of business include cost centers for Canada and the United States. I want to create an alternate hierarchy that groups cost centers by their geographical location. I'll create the alternate hierarchy in the cost center by country viewpoint. This viewpoint uses the cost center by country node set, which is also defined by the cost center hierarchy set. Note, when you create an alternate hierarchy in a different viewpoint, you must create a new node set that uses the primary hierarchy's hierarchy set, and then use that node set when you create the new viewpoint. To create the alternate hierarchy, I'll create a new request, and then add a top node. I'll name the top node Countries, and provide a description. I'll add two children to the new top node, Canada and USA. Next, I'll insert lower-level nodes. I'll select the primary hierarchy from the drop-down list, and then select the desired nodes. The country nodes now display the primary hierarchy's lower-level nodes in the alternate hierarchy. I'll first validate, and then submit the request. The viewpoint now contains an alternate hierarchy that groups cost centers by countries. You can use the side-by-side layout to compare hierarchies and manage changes. For example, you can create a new request and then drag and drop nodes from the primary hierarchy to the alternate hierarchy. In this tutorial, you saw how to create alternate hierarchies in Enterprise Data Management Cloud. To learn more, visit cloud.oracle.com.